Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Brevo, Sendinblue, transactional templates easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Brevo transactional templates, start by logging into your Brevo account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate the Templates section. Click on the Templates option to view all your email templates. Find the transactional template you wish to disable. Hover over the template name until a menu appears. Click on the Edit option to open the template editor. In the upper right corner, locate the Settings tab. Click on Settings to access the template settings. Scroll down until you see the Status section. In the Status options, select Disable from the drop-down menu. After selecting, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the upper right corner and click it. Confirm that your transactional template is now marked as disabled. You can return to the Templates section to verify the status. If you need to disable more templates, repeat the process for each one as needed. That's it. You've successfully disabled your Brevo transactional templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.